AI-powered faceless YouTube channels. In today's digital age, AI technology has revolutionized content creation, paving the way for faceless YouTube channels to thrive. By harnessing the power of AI, creators can produce engaging videos without revealing their identities. Maintaining anonymity on YouTube offers a myriad of benefits, allowing creators to focus solely on their content and build a strong online presence. In this section, we will delve into the setup tips and advantages of running a faceless channel. Viewers can expect to learn how to set up and optimize their own faceless channels, leveraging AI to captivate audiences while preserving their privacy. Step 1. Choosing a niche for your faceless channel. When embarking on your faceless YouTube channel journey, selecting the right niche is crucial for success. Research popular niches like tech reviews, gaming, or educational content to identify areas with high viewer engagement. Additionally, consider your interests and expertise to choose a niche that aligns with your passion, ensuring sustained motivation and creativity. It's essential to assess whether the selected niche has a demand for faceless content creators, as this will impact your channel's growth potential and audience reach. Take the time to explore various niches before committing to one that resonates with you and your target audience. Step 2. Setting up AI-powered voice modulation. To maintain anonymity on your faceless YouTube channel, setting up AI-powered voice modulation is essential. Begin by selecting a reputable voice modulation software such as VoiceMod Pro or MorphVox Pro to achieve professional results. Adjust the settings within the software to create a natural-sounding voice that aligns with your channel's tone and content. It's crucial to test the voice modulation extensively to guarantee clarity and consistency across all your videos. By mastering voice modulation, you can enhance the quality of your content while preserving your anonymity and engaging your audience effectively. Step 3. Creating engaging visual content. In the realm of faceless YouTube channels, captivating visual content plays a pivotal role in attracting and retaining viewers. Utilize AI-generated avatars or animations to visually represent your channel, adding a unique and personalized touch to your content. Design eye-catching thumbnails and channel art that accurately reflect your content style and entice viewers to click. Consistency in visual branding is key to enhancing recognition and fostering viewer engagement. By maintaining a cohesive visual identity across your channel, you can establish a strong brand presence, stand out in the crowded digital landscape, and leave a lasting impression on your audience. Step 4. Optimizing SEO for faceless channels. SEO optimization is crucial for the success of your faceless YouTube channel. Start by researching relevant keywords and strategically incorporating them into your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve discoverability. Focus on creating high-quality, informative content that resonates with your target audience, as this can significantly impact your search rankings. Engaging with your viewers through comments and community posts not only fosters a sense of community but also boosts your channel's visibility on the platform. By implementing effective SEO strategies and consistently delivering valuable content, you can enhance your channel's reach and attract a larger audience. Step 5. Monetizing your faceless channel. Monetizing your faceless YouTube channel opens up opportunities to turn your passion into a profitable venture. Explore various revenue streams, including the YouTube Partner Program, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing, to generate income from your content. Collaborate with brands that align with your niche and resonate with your audience, creating authentic partnerships that benefit both parties. Implement engaging call to actions in your videos to encourage viewers to support your channel financially through donations, merchandise sales, or memberships. By diversifying your monetization strategies and building strong relationships with brands and viewers, you can monetize your faceless channel effectively and sustainably. Step 6. Building a community without faces. Building a thriving community around your faceless YouTube channel is essential for long-term success. Encourage viewer interaction by incorporating polls, Q&A sessions, and live streams to engage with your audience directly. Foster a sense of community by actively responding to comments, acknowledging feedback, and initiating discussions that resonate with your viewers. Collaborate with other faceless creators within your niche to cross-promote content, reach new audiences, and strengthen your community. By prioritizing community engagement, fostering meaningful connections, and collaborating with like-minded creators, you can cultivate a loyal and supportive community around your faceless channel. In conclusion, AI-powered faceless YouTube channels offer a unique opportunity to create engaging content while maintaining anonymity. By harnessing AI technology for voice modulation and visual representation, creators can build a strong online presence without revealing their identities. Setting up a faceless channel opens doors to growth, monetization, and community building. We've explored the importance of selecting the right niche, optimizing SEO, and fostering viewer engagement to enhance channel visibility. As we wrap up, I invite you to subscribe, like, and share this video to support the growth of faceless channels and join our community. Thank you for watching.